Hello everyone. How are you doing? My name is Jagadish Sharma, and welcome back to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to update any graphics card on Windows 10, 8, or 8.1 and 7. Let's start. Go to the Windows desktop screen, right-click this PC icon. In the context menu, click on the Manage option. Click Device Manager on System Tools. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters to see your graphics card details. Here, you can see an Intel HD Graphics 530, as well as NVIDIA GeForce 210. Then, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. In some cases, this might be Update Driver Software. In the pop-up window, you will see two options. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will then automatically find and install drivers for your video device. Once the graphic driver is installed, you will be notified and asked to restart your PC. Then, restart your computer, and your driver will be updated. Here, I've already installed the latest drivers, so there is no need to restart the PC. There is another way to update the graphics card, if Windows does not find a new driver, or shows some error. Now, let's start with Task Manager. The quickest way to bring up the Task Manager is to right-click on any space in your taskbar, and select Task Manager. Once you open the Task Manager, you will see Performance tab and click on it. Under the Performance tab, select GPU near the bottom of the menu. In GPU window, you will see name of your graphics card. Now, open any internet browser you want better. Here, I open Google Chrome. Type your graphics card name and press enter to search. Here I look for Intel Graphics 530 driver. Now, go to the first link after searching. Now, you will see the latest driver software with the bit version of Windows. Here, I run 64-bit Windows 10, so I go with the second. On the left side, you will see the download options. By clicking Download button, the download process will begin. This may take a few minutes to complete the download process. Once the download process is complete, open that file. Click on Next button. Click Yes button to accept the license agreement. Here, you will see the system requirement for this software. After you click the Next button, the actual installation process starts. After the drivers are installed, Windows pops up a small dialog box to restart your computer. Then, click on Restart Now button to restart your computer. Now, if you have experienced any difficulties, please do not hesitate to comment below and let us know. Okay, that's it for today. I will get back to you in next video as soon as possible. If you want more video, then subscribe New Tech.